Yo, what's up? I'm talking about temptation. Very strong. It's like it's more to what meets the eye. You know what I'm saying? For real. You gotta stop sitting alone. Temptation, 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 temptation. Sitting at the crib by yourself, man, it's so much temptation. Pacing back and forward, an idle mind, here come temptation. It's with you in your dreams, all you dream is you taking temptation. You flirting with your cousin, you acting on evil thoughts. That girl you seen in your dream got your flesh really rising up. The world say it's okay for you to pleasure yourself. You tired of pleasuring yourself, so you go find somebody else. But that somebody is tripping and getting you what you want or what you want. You ain't probably getting it at all. So you tell yourself, I gotta get this one way or another. Find yourself with kids or animals, man. Look, stop taking temptation, 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 temptation. Yeah, look, temptation, temptation, temptation only becomes tempting when you're drawn away of your own lust. Seeds planted in the mind, killing them positive thoughts. Watch out, cause temptation about to come, slither in like a serpent. Before you know it, you giving into the temptation. Man, temptation ain't cool, but nowadays the world wanna make it like it's something you should do. Man, I'm telling you, people so used to taking it to the point they be like I'm being real. They just think it them, but nah, it really ain't. It's just all the stuff they be pushing into your head. Like, man, I can't go a week without having sex. So you find yourself downloading movies to your phone. Rated R, pornos everywhere you go. Can't say no, cause you used to taking that temptation, temptation, temptation. Temptation, 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 temptation.